What it do, gang? We got a GMC Yukon SLT 2023. This bad boy loaded too. Look at this bad boy, 2023 Yukon SLT on them 20s. On some 20s, as you can see. SLT. Look at this bad boy, looking good too. You can get it from Lock Monday in Elkhart, Indiana. Look at that. I'm pretty sure the front window was fishbowed, but get that tint all the way around it to get in here real quick. Yeah. Ooh, it's got the little sound, let you know it's inside. Oh, I like that. I like that. Okay, let's see what we got inside. You know, I get straight to it. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. We got the touch screen right there. Also, we know that's digital, full digital dash. We got the 2 cup holders. That's what the key fob looks like in the GMC Yukon SLT. We got the heat and the climate control right there. Everything's right there, but mostly everything is touch, as you can see. Slide that over right there. Right there. I don't know what that compartment is. Like a little secret compartment. Put my hand in there real quick. I don't know what is that for. I don't know what that's for. Maybe that's for your cigarettes. Probably for your cigarettes. We got the nice little interior to the GMC. We got that's the license plate. As you can see, it's leathered out in this bad boy. We got the black leather. Look at that roof though. Look at the roof though. Look at the roof. What's that? What they call it? A panoramic mirror? This thing is crazy though, man. We got the leather seats. We got this is like a grayish, blackish color leather with the little white stitching. Real nice, real comfortable. As you can see, I'm real comfortable. We got heli leg room. I'm not the tallest guy, so I'm pretty sure if you was like 6'6" or something like that, you definitely would fit in this real easily. You know what I'm saying? We got everything's nice right here. We got the 2 cup holders right there. Let's see how you open this up. We got the nice little hand rest from one side for you, one side for the passenger. Put that in there. Ooh, we got nice little compartments. Does this lift out? Yep, this lifts out right here. As you can see, you can lift that out. Put it back in there. You know what I mean? Put it back in there. We got your little charger porch right there. We got 2 single seats in the back, as well as we got another seat in the back, all the way in the back. I would call this maybe a 7-seater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not a 7-seater. It's a 7-seater. You know what I mean? 7-seater. We got the Bosch stereo system. As you can see, we're gonna go in the back. You know, it's a little dark in here. This is gonna be a customer's gonna come pick this up. We got everything you need right here. It's all your little dials and digital dials and dashes. I wish this right here was a flat. I wish this was a flat bottom steering wheel. Definitely. I definitely wish that was a flat bottom steering wheel. I definitely like everything in here, but it's kind of, you know, not a lot going on in here. You would think it'd be a lot more going on in here, but it's not. They want $75,000 for it. Look at that. We got a little digital. Tell you what the heat is right there. You got digital. That's digital on there. That's nice. I think that's real nice right there. Look, all this is nice, man. You know, I wish this, as you can see, I like my pedals to be metal. I wish these was metal instead of that plastic. Your feet slip off of those real easy, but hey, we ain't gonna knock it for that. You know what I mean? We're not gonna knock it just because of that. You got your little GMC emblem right there. This is a stationary step ladder, stepping thing, a little step stool, step ladder, whatever you want to call it. It's stationary. It doesn't raise up or go down when you're doing it. Shut it. Open it up right here. This is the back. Let's see what it's like in the back. Still, you got the little GMC right there. Got the Bosch system back here too. It's real nice back in here though. Damn, it's real spacious. I like it that it's separate. It's not a whole seat that goes straight across. It's separate. Got your little armrest right here. You put your little arms right there. Got your armrest. It doesn't lock out or nothing like that. It's just one little area. It's not like it's not adjustable. You know what I'm saying? It's only going one way for everybody. It's still cool though. Then you got your seats back here, fit 3 people comfortably. Let me get back here to see. Let's get back here and test it out. Oh man, ooh, it looks nice up front though. For you to be sitting in the back, look how nice that looks up there, man. Look at that roof. Man, I wish it had a roof like the Wagoneer got. It doesn't have a roof in the back. The Wagoneer has a roof in the back here. This is nice though. This is real nice, man. This GMC Yukon XXL looks real good back here. Real comfortable. Let me get over here. See what it's talking about. Real comfortable. You can lean over and see inside, or you're back here just watching the back of somebody's head. It's nice back here. Got a nice little cargo space in the back. Nice little cargo space. Let me get over here. You got your cup holders right there. Yeah, we got your cup holders right there. This thing is nice, man. I definitely gonna give it a 2 thumbs up. I definitely like what I'm seeing. I definitely like it. Definitely like it. I definitely like it. We got the 20-inch wheels on it. It's got 20s in the front as well as the rear. I think it's a 275 tire. Yeah, it's a 275 50 R20 chrome wheel. I would call this a chrome wheel, 6 lug pattern. Real nice, man. Real nice little tire size on this bad boy. Nice little black color on it. Real nice, real nice. Got the GMC emblem right there. Look at that. Pull back. Look how nice this thing look. Look how nice it look. Come on now. This thing is real lovely. You got your chrome grille up there. All the chrome. Look at all this chrome. You know how the GMC do it. They like to chrome it on out. Big GMC emblem right there. As you can see, big. You got the camera right there. You got your fog lights at the bottom. I like the fog lights, man. I definitely like those. Gloss black. Everything gloss. A lot of gloss. I don't know how I feel about all that gloss, but it definitely look good. I like that little chrome little accent at the bottom. Definitely like all that. I wish this was open instead of enclosed. I wish it was more open instead of. It's like fake. I don't really like the fake look, but it's still cool because this is open right here. Big boy. The lights though, crazy. Look at the lights, crazy. They grille, how it protrude in the front. I like that. Nice little lines on the hood. This is a lovely truck right here. SUV. This thing is lovely. You're definitely not slacking if you pull up in this bad boy. Don't like the marker light too bright. Trying to throw off the black. Nice mirrors. You got your lane assist on there just in case somebody coming into your lane. Got your signal on the side. What's that? Got your camera right there. I love the handles on this door, how it's black and chrome. Love it. Love it. Love it. Let's see if it's got dual exhaust on it though. That's gonna let me know what I'm talking. It doesn't have dual. It's not dual exhaust, but you got your spare tire at the bottom. Make sure if you ever get one of these, you always check under there and look at that spare tire because the nuts can rust, and then you in for a whole nother problem. So always make sure you checking on your spare tire when you got a spare tire that sits underneath the car, especially if you're in like a Midwest climate. Like I live in a Midwestern climate. You always want to get under there and check that spare tire. Make sure those lug nuts on there have not rusted, because when they rust, that's a whole nother problem. But other than that, let's open up the back of this bad boy. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. That's I like that. Nice little space in here. Got the mats. This is 2023, brand new, brand spanking new. Somebody coming to get this right now. You got your little buttons right there. Nice little space, you know what I'm saying? But you know, you also can lower these seats if you need to get more space. You can easily lower these seats and pack it up, man. Get on a nice little road trip. Bump you some of those nice little road trip tunes with the nice little Bosch sound system. Yes, this is a sensor on it. It's got a sensor on it, so if you under this, when you let it down, it will not let down. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you. Look at that. Yes, sir. Nice. Got your camera in the back right there. For those who can't see, right there. I got you if you're blind. I got you. I like the GMC right here. I kind of wish that I like the chrome right here. I wish the GMC was black. I wish they had the GMC in black. I know you want it to be, I know how they want it to be red and everything so you can see it. But I think if you black that part out, it would be crazy. It'd be crazy. Got your little spoiler thing on the back. I know it ain't a spoiler, but we gonna call it one. A spoiler. Got your little luggage racks up top. This thing is nice, man. 2023 GMC Yukon SXL. Tell me what y'all think about this bad boy. I think it's lovely. I would definitely, you know, I would change the wheels out myself. I would change the wheels out. I'll probably put some 26s on it myself. I would put some at least some 24s on it, but it's nice though. It's definitely on point. Can't complain. I can't complain. I love the black color. I definitely love the black color, but I wish that GMC was black instead of red. Other than that, man, things crazy. It's definitely crazy. Definitely on point. I'm definitely feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it. Let me let y'all see the inside of it one more time. It's a $75,000 truck, fully loaded. Fully loaded. As you can see, the nice leather seats, heated seats. Everything is nice. The screen is lovely, as you can see. Let me get in here and let me shut the door and show y'all what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at the screen. Ooh, that is crazy, man. That is crazy. We in a spaceship. We're in a spaceship. Nice little rear view mirror. I'm pretty sure it has a camera on it. I'm not sure. No, it might not have a camera on it. I'm not sure if it does or not. You got your little buttons up top. Garage opener and your SOS button. This thing is nice, man. This thing is nice. Is this your gear shifter right here? You press, that's park, reverse, neutral, drive. And then you can go with the manual status if you wanted to go upshift, downshift. Yeah, this thing is nice, man. I'm definitely gonna give it 2 thumbs up, man. Let me know what y'all think about the Yukon SLT. This thing is nice. It's definitely nice. I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think. 20-inch wheels standard. I wish it would have 22s. I mean, everything can't be perfect. I'm gonna tell you what I like and what I don't like. I wish it had 22-inch wheels instead of the 20s. I think 22 inches would look a lot more better with those. With that 275 tire, would have looked a lot better. But I don't make the cars, I just drive them. I'm pretty sure you gotta hit a button to open it. Oh, you don't. That's your gas tank right there. Don't want to touch it too much because somebody coming to pick it up. It looks real good though. Look at that. Let me know what y'all think. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, I'm gonna get a slide on up out here. It's your boy, Oh yeah, big shout out to the Werewolf Gang. You know how I feel about y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm talking low because I'm inside. I don't want to interrupt other people shopping for their cars. That's why I'm talking a little low. And as you can see, it's real cold and snowy out there, so they didn't want to put this car outside, this SUV. But man, y'all make sure y'all hit me up in the comments, let you know what you think about it. I will leave a link in the description so you can get in contact with the people that sold this car. I will leave a link down there, man. Y'all check it out. It'll be in the description. But with that being said, y'all stay up, y'all stay blessed. It's your boy T Light signing on up out of here. I'm gone.
I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they